Good morning to the channel, my friends. Let me show you one more larger than life experience of Riyadh, the recently opened Western station. This is among the 4 key metro stations of Riyadh. The others are STC Al Alaya, Kaft and Kasar Al Hukum, and this is the latest one, Western station. This is the largest metro station in whole Riyadh. The scale is simply amazing. It can cater to 60,000 passengers per hour. 60,000 passengers per hour. It was opened recently, in fact very recently, yesterday only. So I decided to come here and show you around. This is going towards bus terminal. Probably we will not go there. Probably this will be the first such video on YouTube which is covering this station. Let me show you the remaining areas of this. This is where we have entered from the car park. There is a car park which can accommodate 600 cars underground, and then there is open parking as well. Let me try to go and see the platforms if I can. I have the ticket. This is how it looks like from outside. We went inside, but it was like a normal platform, so I did not shoot it. But this is how it looks like from the outside. Western station. Let's take a quick tour around. Yes, this is a credit to this station. It is a LEED Gold certified station, leadership in energy and environmental design. This is also one of the key silent features of this station. Let's see, and this looks like to be the main area. Let's go and see how it is looking like. And this is the main entrance. Huge in scale, but there is only one line, I guess, here, Jeddah line. So this is not like a 4 or 5 lines merging here, just one line, I guess, but it's huge in scale. So this is quick tour of the Western station for you. Probably the first one. Still, Kasar Al Hukum remains by far the best station in the Riyadh metro network.